The battle for supremacy in the fourth quarter of the Young Investors Stock Market competition takes an interesting twist, with Richard Azan Jr. back in the lead after being relegated to second position by Lehman Legister last week. Azan's bold decision last week to buy more cable and wireless shares despite a loss paid dividends. However, he was also aided by a significant fall in his main rival's portfolio. In the week ended Thursday, November 18, he made significant gains on his cable and wireless and D&G shares, increasing his portfolio by over $1,500. Richard Azan Jr. sold 3,000 Caribbean Cement shares and over 30,000 cable and wireless shares, while at the same time adding 300 Carrera shares and 9,900 D&G shares. Azan's portfolio as at Thursday, November 18, 2010, stood at $132,210.64. Richard's five-stock portfolio now contains 64,742 cable and wireless shares, 7,500 Caribbean Cement shares, 9,000 RJR shares, 300 Carrera shares, and 9,900 D&G shares. Lehman Legister slipped into second position following a decline of over $2,100 in his portfolio. According to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, this followed the sale of his cable and wireless shares and fall in his D&G and Berger shares. At the end of the week, Lehman's portfolio was worth $130,006.60. Lehman's four-stock portfolio contains 5,000 JMMB shares, 108,000 cable and wireless shares, 4,000 D&G shares, and 13,700 Berger shares. Though some way off the leaders, the wily Giselle Bishop continues to make steady gains, and it would be foolish to write her off. Her portfolio increased by $525. She made gains from the price appreciation of her Pan-Caribbean and RJR shares, but suffered a loss on her Scotia Group shares. At the end of our trading week, Giselle Ann's portfolio stood at $121,019.40. Giselle Ann's three-stock portfolio contains 15,000 cable and wireless shares, 4,500 Scotia Group shares, and 350 Carrera shares. As at November 18, 2010, the standings in the Young Investors competition read: in first position, Richard Azan Jr., second, Lehman Legister, and in third place, Giselle Bishop. Our young investors could probably give tutorials on how to beat a bear market. They've all done well in this competition, and we dare not predict the outcome of the fourth quarter. Their gains now range from 21% to 32%. That's huge in this post-debt exchange era and single-digit interest rates on most investment instruments. That's the Young Investors for this week. If you wish to watch our video reports, do visit our website businesscontentjamaica.com. You may also follow us on Twitter at OwenJamesJA.